How to delete your Instagram account in 3 easy steps. Intro. Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your Instagram account. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media, or you're just tired of Instagram, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you the exact steps you need to take to delete your account. Step 1. Back up your data. Before you delete your Instagram account, it's important to back up any data that you may want to keep, such as your photos and videos. To do this, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, select Security and then Download Data. Instagram will then prepare a copy of your data and send it to your email address. Step 2. Delete your Instagram account. Once you've backed up your data, it's time to delete your Instagram account. To do this, go to the Instagram account deletion page on your web browser. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. From there, select a reason for why you're deleting your account, enter your password, and click Permanently Delete My Account. Step 3. Confirm deletion. After you click the Permanently Delete My Account button, Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to delete your account. If you're sure you want to delete your account, click OK. Keep in mind that once you delete your account, all of your data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted your Instagram account. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Remember, if you ever want to come back to Instagram, you'll need to create a new account. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.